Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Hoover Optima 7 kg OPHS712DF. I found this morning on the street. It was left out beside a skip, beside a fridge, and in the skip was an oven, and everything looked pretty clean. You know, not new, but clean. There's some codes there. And my suspicion is that someone was having their kitchen done because the skip was full of kitchen stuff. It's got a bit of a dent in it here, you can see that, and there's a bit of a bash in the front. You can see that wobbly line, that's because the front's not smooth. So it's been manhandled. Bit of a scrape on the side there, nothing major. Some damage to the paintwork there, and up there, scraping again. I'm taking the top off just to have a look inside. The other side's better. This is exactly the same as a candy washing machine I had recently. But my suspicion is that there's absolutely nothing wrong with this and that someone was having their kitchen done and they wanted to get a new washing machine. Sounds a bit squeaky on the belt maybe, but it's alright. 7 kg load, which is quite big from what I'm used to. It's got a big door, but it's quite a shallow machine. It's only about 450 deep. Way narrower, like almost half the thickness of that big LG I've got outside. Let's close it up there. I need to level the wheels underneath, so we'll do that. I need to level the feet because it's a bit wonky here, so I'll do that. So it's easy on this one, just unscrew the little caster. That's it, that's pretty good. So I've got it plumbed in, I've got it plugged in, I've got the water on, and I've got the drain hose out. Let's see, what will it do? 29-minute wash. Okay, so let's turn it on to 29 minutes. Anything? Ooh, maybe it's not going to work. Oh no, coming up there. Okay, so let's do cold wash. Spin. Started at 800. Is that all it does? An 800 spin? No, it should have something faster there. Let's just try a different wash. Yeah, it goes up higher. So just on a 29-minute wash, it only does an 800 spin. Let's put cold on again because I don't want to waste time heating it. Let's just try that again. It was going to 30 minutes there. So it starts off 30 minutes instead of 29. Bit of a cheat. Okay, cold wash, start. Doors checking, water's coming in. Oh, I should have put some rags in it, hang on. Too late now. Okay, well, let's turn it off. I'm going to start this again with some rags. Okay, so I've got it plumbed in, I've got the power in, I've got the water coming in there, I've got some soap, but I've got a cup of tea. I'm going to put some rags in it. I'm going to do a shortest wash I can on it. So, some rags. Close the door. Turn it on. I haven't switched it on yet. There we go, there's power on. Things are coming up, it's 29 minutes, but it's a 30 wash. Ooh, better get some. Let's just jump ahead there. A little bit of soap, probably too much for that tiny amount of laundry that's in it. Set to cold wash, can I do that? Yeah. Door's locked. Is it gonna tumble? There we go. Sounds alright. Very little water in that. Maybe it's enough water. Tumbling the other way, is it? I can't remember now. So this machine is quite identical to a candy I fixed recently. Oh, I know, the 30 there was the temperature, I think. That's what was going on. maybe. Not the time. Maybe not, I don't know. It looks like there's enough water in there. Okay, I'll leave this to it and we'll come back as it progresses. So we're 5 minutes in. There's a bit of steam coming up on the inside of the window there. It's pretty dusty as well, look. Down to 24 minutes. Quite a peaceful machine. Sealed tub. Not much to do there. Bit of what looks like rubber around there. So I'm wondering if something's wrong with that belt, but it looks like it could be that, or it could be these pads here. They look like they've taken a bit of abuse. Doesn't look like it's been abused. I think I did that getting it home on my bicycle today. Okay, we'll come back to it in a bit. It's pretty dirty, but the rags in there were pretty dirty. Halfway there, the main wash is done, so it'll go into a few rinses. Might do a spin now. Let's leave it on and see what happens. So let's take it on some more for a rinse there. It's down to 11 minutes. Come back to it in a bit. So there was quite a lot of water in there for that first rinse. It's coming out quite clean now. Down to 8 minutes. Probably have one more rinse, maybe 2. So it's got 4 minutes to go now, 3 minutes to go, and it's on the final rinse. It's just done it. It's just pumping out now the last one, and it'll go on to the last spin. It's not doing much of a spin, I've got to say. Let's see what it's like when we open it up. It didn't do much of a spin there. Okay, maybe we're going for it now. Yeah. Okay. A little bit unbalanced, but not a big deal. There we go. So this is going to be the longest minute. It says end, but the door's still locked, so does it still make me wait 2 minutes? In which case, 29 minutes is a bit of a swizz. So about a minute's passed there. And that's it, it's clicked off. Oh. Trying to open it. If I... Oh, okay, you have to kind of push it, because if you just pull it, the interlock reactivates. It's very strange. They're still quite damp. Feels okay though. What can we say? Hoover Optima wash system 7 kg, OPHS712DF. What can we say? Say it in the comments below. What should I do with it? Thanks for watching. See you later.